Okay, so after installing Ruby on Rails, here's how we create a new project. So first of all, open the command prompt of the Ruby on Rails, and then once you open it, you type Rails space new, and then the name of the project. So let's just name it hello, and then press enter. So this process creates all the necessary files and directories for this new project, and then it will run bundle install, which installs other gems that you might need on the project. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so after completing the process, uh, you first we have to cd inside the project that we just made. So cd hello, and then run the rails. To run the Rails server, type Rails server or just Rails s. This process will run the Rails server, and then let's wait again for a little while. Then here we go. Once you see this web brick, this means that the server is already running, and you'll see that we are running on port 3000. So let's see our page. So to look at our page, you just type localhost colon and then 3000. 3000 is the port. So press enter. So here you'll see the default page of the Ruby on Rails. So that's how we start a new project. Thank you.